again. And it's gonna be for you. Want to know it's true, and I don't know where. And if I ever fall in love again. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday morning. It's Sunday morning. May kanta yun eh, may kanta yun. Ano kanta yun? Ano sa Nudot? Nudot ba yun? Ay, yung bukalis sa Nudot, sino ba yung bukalis sa Nudot? Kumanta ng It's Sunday morning. Sino yun? May sumisigaw na. Yes, rinig niyo yun? May sumisigaw na babae sa sa hospital na ibandon. Narinig niyo yun? Di ba? Good morning, Nick! Thank you, Nick. Thank you sa pag-join. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Yesterday, I wake up and time has slipped away. And suddenly, medicine, the memories you left behind. Remember? Do you remember? The laughters and the tears, the shadows, days. So guys, rock naman tayo guys. Kanta tayo ng mga iba't ibang lahi ng mga kanta ng mga iba't ibang favorite na mga alien. Oy, hi. Shout out pala sa Planet Mars. Nandun kasi yung kamukha ko ng alien yan. Thank you. Oh, anong kantahin natin? Kanta tayo ng guys. Kaya natin kantahin. Kantahin natin. Pahala natin. Ano? Parang hindi tama ito. Good morning, Johnny, 35. Teka lang yung guys ha. Kunin muna natin yung intro kasi hindi ko alam yung intro. Bahala na to. She's always on my mind. All the time. Ba't ang baba? And I close my eyes. Ay, wag na lang itong kanta to guys. Kaya to. Handog na lang, handog. Good morning, Mer. Morning, thank you sa pag-join, Mer. Handog tayo. Parang kailan lang ang mga pangarap ko kay hirap abutin. Dahil sa inyo, napunta ako sa aking nais marating. Nais ko kayong pasalamatan kahit man lamang isang aawitin. Parang kailan lang halos ako ay nagpalimos sa lansangan. Dahil sa iyo ang aking tiyan at ang busay nagkalaman. Kaya itong awiting aking inaawit, nais ko kayo ang handugan. Tatanda at lilipas rin ako, ngunit mayroong awiting iiwanan sa inyo. Alaala dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama. Parang kailan lang ang mga awitin ko ay ayaw pakinggan. Dahil sa inyo narinig yung isip ko at naintindihan. Dahil dito'y ibig ko kayong ituring na matalik kong kaibigan. Tatanda at lilipas rin ako, ngunit mayroong awitin iiwanan sa inyo. Alaala dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama. Tatanda at lilipas rin ako, ngunit mayroong awitin iiwanan sa inyo. Alaala dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama. Raymond Gabriels! Raymond! Mon, thank you, Mon. Thank you sa pag-join. Thank you. Musta ka na? Silahi? Silahi? Ano bang pronunciation nito? Tama ba yan? Okay guys, saklakan na tayo guys! So, kanta tayo ng mga kanta tayo ng mga old song. Yung mga historical song. So, let's go! I've been waiting here for you, waiting for the sign from you. I feel very cold, that I can smile. Roger, thank you, Roger. Rogeline, your voice doesn't sound so sad. I don't think it's best to dream this smile. I hope you'll be alright. You hope you'll be alright. Don't fade away from me. pag-join. Tama ba? Jermel? Tama ba pronunciation ko? Kokski! Koy, musta ka na dyan, Koy? Ito naman tayo, Koy, magrat-rata naman tayo, Koy. Kanta tayo ng kanta ng mga alien. Saan ka sa Manila, Koy? Juby 69. Thank you po. Thank you. Okay, kanta tayo ng mga love song. Mga labaw song. Standing by my window, listening for your call. Seems I really miss you after all. Time won't let me keep the sad thoughts to myself. I just like to let you know I wish I never let you go, and I'd always love you. Deep inside this heart of mine, I do love you, and I'd always need you. And if you ever change your mind, I still, I will love you. Wish you never left me. Love's a mystery. You can break a heart so easily. For the days and night reveal how much I care for you. I just like to let you know I wish I'll never let you go, and I'd always love you. Deep inside this heart of mine, I do love you, and I'd always need you. And if you ever change your mind, I still, I will love you. Time like a river keeps on rolling by on by. Nothing left for me to see, so I watch the river ride, and I'd always love you. Deep inside this heart of mine, I do love you, and I'd always need you. And if you ever change your mind, I still, I will, I will love you. Thank you, Bobby Matos. Uy, Matos. Apelyido kayo na, Matos. Taga saan ka, Bobby? Yung ugat ng apelyido mo, saan galing? Parang kamag-anak tayo Kasi kamag-anak. Yung, may artista pa tayong Matos, si Kiko. Alam mo ba si Kiko Matos? Kasing tangkad ko si Kiki Matos. Ay, hindi pala. Hindi pala. Ay! Thank you, Bob. Pag-join, Bob. Thank you. Johnny Zamora. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you. At si Dicam FBR 10 Joy. Thank you po. So, kanta tayo ng kuan. Ano pang kantahin natin, guys? Kanta tayo ng ano? Sakol. Alam mo ba sakol? Yung kanta sa sakol? Alam niyo? Marami magandang kanta sa sakol. Puro maganda yung sa kanta sa sakol Napakaganda yung mga, meron kasing story sa kanta sa sakol. Okay, kaya natin guys. Ano bang chorus yun? Ano kantahin natin? Huwag mong isipin yan, hindi ganun mahal. Huwag mong katangahan mo ang pinapairal. Alam mo nang niloloko ka niya, pero nabubulag-bulagan ka. Hindi mo ba napapansin, nakikingkoy ka na. Huwag manghinayan doon, may mas babagay pa. Igala-gala mo lang ang mga mata. Sa pag-ihip nitong hangin, lala mo ay ikaw ay nakuwing. Problema mo't siliranin, aking aalisin. Tumingin ka sa iba at iyong makikita, di ka na iiwan, di na mag-iisa. Tumingin ka kung saan ikislap ang iyong mga mata, at gugulong ka sa kakatawa. Ha ha ha, masaya, di ka na mangangamba, hindi ka na magmumukhang tanga. At kung manig ka, kasi mahal mo pa siya, ako umayos ka. Marami pang iba. Hindi mo niya mahal. Huwag mong katangahan mo ang pinapairal. Alam mo nang niloloko ka na, pero nabubulag-bulagan ka. Hindi mo ba napapansin, nakikingkoy ka na. Huwag mo yun, may mas babagay pa. Gala-gala mo lang ang mga mata. Sa pag-ihip nitong hangin, tama mo ay ikaw ay napuwing. Problema mo't suliranin, aking aalisin. Tumingin ka sa iba at iyong makikita, di ka na iiwan, di na mag-iisa. ka na magmukhang tanga. At kung manhid ka kasi mahal mo pa siya, na kung umayos ka, marami pang iba. Marami pang iba. Marami pang iba. Lito Malinaw. Thank you, thank you. Thank you guys, thank you guys. Ay, invite natin si, si Violets, the greatest love of all. Violets! Musta ka na, Violets? Ang tagal natin hindi nakikita. Miss mo na ba ako, Violets? Kanta tayo na guys. Salamat po sa mga nag-join. Samahan niyo ako hanggang 12. 1 hour tayo. Kasi pagkatapos sa live ko, mayroon magla-live na multo. Hindi nyo lang nakita. Dito sa lugar na to, dito sa room na to. May nagla-live sa TikTok na multo. Kamukha ko. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yesterday, I wake up and time has slipped away. And suddenly, I remember. Do you remember? The laughters and the tears. The shadow that in the street. Trisiao 07. Thank you po. Thank you guys. So, kanta tayo ng kanta tayo sa yung katsila guys, yung bang katsila ba? Yung katsila na Latin. O Latin ba yun? Katsila lang. Yung panahon kasi yung ama ko, panahon pa ni Mampor, yun. May grupo sa Spaniards, sa Spanish, may grupo na Tayo Los Panchos. Sila kumanta, alam niyo yun, sila kumanta, se necesito na poca di gracia. Sila kumanta doon. Meron isang kanta sila na unang na-release noong 19 forgotten. Yan. Kantahin natin yung title na anong title doon? Historia de un amor. Mi amor. Sabi ng sa Tagalog pa, mahal. In Spanish, amor. Por favor, amor. Kantahin natin guys. Excuse me po! Kantahin natin yung storya yun. Voice 107.5. Ya no estás más a mi lado, corazón. Yo arma sola tengo soledad. Eso ya no puedo verte, porque Dios me hizo quererte para siempre el Superman. Siempre presta la razón de insistir. Adorarte para mi religión. Esos besos se cantaba el amor. Océano de la Pasión. Es la historia de un amor como no hay otro igual, como dulce con viento del mel del mar, amiados a mi vida, abacándola después. Ay, could be the tan oscura, sin tu amor no viviré. Siempre presta la razón de insistir, adorarte para mi predilección. Estos besos se cantaba, el amor le enmendaba, el amor de la pasión. Es de un amor como no hay otro igual, como dice con viento del mel todo el mal, amiados a mi vida, abacándola después. Algo vida tan oscura, sin tu amor no viviré. Es la historia de un amor. O, diba? Galing pa to kay Mampur. Yung kapatid ni Magellan. Yan. Kailan kayo sila nag-battle nila Lapu-Lapu, no? 15. Kailan sila nag-battle? Mga 18? 1521. 1521, na-discover ni Magellan ng Philippines eh. Kaya pa na isipin yun kasi historical yan eh. Bobo kasi ako sa historical. Kanta tayo ng Vincent kay alam niyo si Vincent, no? Pinanganak na kapanahonan ni Emilio Aguinaldo. Yung namumuno pa sa bansa natin si Emilio Aguinaldo. Kapanahonan pa niya. Si Vincent, bata pa yan, bata mga edad, edad 9. Naglalaho ng taho yan, si Vincent. Tapos, di ko alam eh. Isa kantanan tayo guys. Okay. Let's go. 107 no. Amot lang. Starry, starry night. Paint your palette blue and gray. Look on the summer day, with eyes that know the darkness and my soul. Shadows on the hills, sketch the trees and the daffodils, catch the breeze in the winter chill, and colors in the snowy little land. Now I understand what you're trying to say to me, and how you sip it for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They did not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they listen now. Starry, starry night, portrait hangs of empty halls, nameless hand and nameless walls, reflect in bins and eyes of china blue, colors changing hue. Morning fills that amber grain, smiling face in the light of day. I soon beneath the artist's loving hand. Now I understand what you're trying to say to me, and how you sip it for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They did not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they listen now, for they could not love you, but still your love was true. And with no hope that's left inside on that starry night, you took your life lovers off. But I could tell you, Vincent, this world was never meant for was as beautiful as you. Starry, starry night, birthday hangs of Pantheon, family are sand and names roll. Soon the words of can't forget, the strangers that we met. The ragged men and ragged clothes, the silver thorn of lateral, soon beneath the altar's loving hand. Now I think I know what you're trying to say to me, and how you sip it for your sanity, and how you tried to set them free. They did not listen, they did listen still. Perhaps they'll never will. Pasensya na guys ha, medyo ang lyrics, saksak sinadol eh. Yung first stanza at sa last, yung second stanza at sa first. Yan. So okay na lang yan kasi ano eh, uso naman ngayon yan. I support Sinaro. Thank you po. Thank you po dyan ko. Sinaro. Okay. G. Thank you po. Thank you, sir. Ano naman kantahin natin? Limutan na natin eh. Ito, kanta din. Sometimes I just told you to gotta be to see. I'm holding a fortune that heaven has given to until the day the ocean dies. It turns the sand, now and forever. I will be your man, now and forever. I will be your man. Thank you, Gigi Ludunya. Thank you po. Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing my emotion and understanding. And now I know. On March 1521, the Philippines was discovered by Magellan. When people they baptized the Pacific Ocean, the Limasawa Island. Magellan landed at Limasawa, no. Anong susunod doon? Gigi Ludunya La. Ano pong la? Ano po yung la? Thank you sa pag-join po, Gigi. President. Okay. When Philippine Magellan's in Mactan to Christianizing everyone. When Lapu-Lapu went to shore, go Magellan to go back home. And the battle got to man, forget the land. And Lapu-Lapu was a stick. And then Magellan cry and cry. So, kanta tayo ng ibang mga yung pinaka-best friend mo. Kantahin mo yung pinaka-best friend mo. Alam na, lahat naman tayo may best friend, no? Hindi best friend marami. Yung isa lang, yung ka-close mo na best friend. Kantahin nyo ng kantahin niya. I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. And always felt that we were blessed. And I feel that we still. Sometimes we took a hard route. You always saw it through. If I had only one friend, I wanted to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side. Sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave a helping hand. Sometimes we didn't care. It's when we were together to make my dreams come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out and helps keep me together and believes without a doubt that I can move a mountain. Always so true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Ayaw po talagang mataas eh. Join, thank you, Join. Hey, Jude, don't make it bad. Take it sad song, don't make it better. Remember, love her until her. Then you can start to make it better. Uy. Sinong broken hearted? Oh. Sinong broken hearted? Yan isa ang yung paa. Raise your feet under my skin tonight. Suddenly bring up against the air. Excuse me po. Kanta tayo ng fixing broken heart, guys. Sino makakanta dito? Ewan ko, hindi ko alam. Kanta tayo. Ba't hindi ko... Bakit na-mute ka na? Ano ba to? There was nothing to say the day she left. Just fill her suitcase full of regrets. I hailed the taxi in the rain, looking for some place to ease the pain. Oh, then like an answered prayer, I turned around and found you there. You really know where to start, fixing a broken heart. You really know where to do your emotional tool. Can cure any foolish dreams are falling apart, fixing a broken heart. Now don't understand what I'm going through. It must be a plan that led me to you, because the hurt just disappeared every moment that you are near. Yeah, then like an answered prayer, you make me loneliness easy to bear. You really know where to start, fixing a broken heart. You really know where to do your emotional tool. Can cure any foolish dream I've fallen apart, fixing a broken heart, fixing a broken heart. Thank you, everybody in the house. Thank you. Nagla-live pa si Clever Kayen. Ma'am Kayen! Ma'am, nagla-live? Ang ganda ni Mama. Kanta tayo ng Apo High Society, guys, yung pag-ibig. Pag-ibig sa kapwa. Pag-ibig, pag pumasok sa puso ni naman. Hahamakin ka lamang. Tapos, iwan. Joke. Oh, kanta tayo ng pag-ibig, guys. Ano ba? Ay, bitukaw. Maraming kung taas na bitukan. Nung tanga ng nanay, amuti mong mga kamay, ika'y tuwang-tuwa, panatag ang loob sa damdamin, ika'y mahal. Nung makilala mo ang una mong sinta, umapaw ang saya, siya'y ibang-iba sinasamsam. Ang bawat gunita, hindi mo malimutan kung kailan nagsimulan, matuto kung paano magmahal. Di mo nalimutan kung kailan mo natikman ang tamis ng iyong halik, yakap na napakahigpit, pag-ibig mong tunay hanggang langit. Tayo'y nagkakilala na hindi sinasadya, ikaw lang ang napansin, nahuli sa isang tingin, at sa pagbati mong napakalambing. Hindi mo malimutan kung kailan nagsimulan, matuto kung paano magmahal. Di mo nalimutan kung kailan mo natikman ang una mong halik, yakap na napakahigpit, pag-ibig mong tunay hanggang langit. Di mo nalimutan kung kailan nagsimulan, matuto kung paano magmahal. At di mo nalimutan kung kailan mo natikman ang tamis ng iyong halik, yakap na napakahigpit, pag-ibig mong tunay hanggang langit. Thank you, Fatu. Cave. Fatu Cave? Tama ba? Kibi. Ben Ayuyon. Thank you po. Thank you for join po. Ben Ayuyon. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Anong susunod natin kantahin, guys? Kayo, anong kantahin ko? Ay, kanta tayo ng ano? Maganda kasi yung ano nung uno, yung si Tiffany, yung mga kanta ni Tiffany. Alam niyo ba anong nantanik na Tiffany, yung mga kanta niya, ano, alam niyo yun? Di ba ano ba? Ito yung kanta ni Tiffany. People say that you're no good for me. People say constant. still see myself not in love with you. It's love is blind. I'll find my way. With you. Yan! Yan ang kanta ni Tiffany. So may ano meron siyang kumpitin siya noon. Oh, si D.B. Gibson. Alam niyo ba anong mga kanta ni D.B. Gibson? Yung nagkanta sa ano ba? Electric youth. Ayan, and I see that energy coming up to roll. The future only belongs, and the future will change, and the future will electric youth. Yan. Pero yung common na narinig sa lahat around the world, yun. Ang kanta niya, ito. When the beer sip sings, when the fire burns, where we'll find a place, but there's nowhere to turn. When the evening breeze comes up, waiting for the day, you said I'm wrong. You can play my piece, but never fit in. Run away, and only for so long, so long, so long. I will never. There's always you, because I'm never feel to feel. God has been so good, forever in time. I will feel the rhythm. What happened when there's no more I? Diba? DGJX93. Thank you po. Erfi Cyril Guli. Thank you so much pag-join. Thank you. Oy, mag-i-in ako guys. So, one last song. One last song. All my bags are packed and ready to go. Standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking, it's early morning. The taxi's waiting and Lloyd is on. Listen, I could die. So kiss me and smile. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. So I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh please, I have to go. Ikaw ang pag-asa, sa'yo ang ligaya. Dahil sa'yo simula ay madilim na kahapon. Di ko lang alam paano. Dahil sa'yo simula ay ano man ang mangyari, hindi kita iiwan. Thank you guys, thank you. Thank you hanggang sa muli. Thank you hanggang sa muli pagkikita.